All right, so now in this particular section, what we are going to do is we are going to understand this save model. So let's click on this, and you see there are three options to that. And currently, what it is saying, this is the preview of that Web Explorer by Rahul Sahay. This is only people with a link can access. And let's say if I would like to have this content to me only, so then this is going to be only me. And if you like to publicly, promote this, so I'll just go ahead and publish this by myself itself public, and let's confirm in public itself. And if I just confirm this, and let's see whatsoever happens. So in future, whenever let's say they are going to monetize this and publish this in a store, right, so there will be a documentation which is going to come into the picture and will let us know like how's that let's say people are using your model itself, like the custom GPT, and this is widely getting used by the people out there, right? So in that case you will be getting paid or whatsoever is going to be the decision lately. So I will be confirming you around that, like what is that what it means, like publishing your own GPT to your the public store, and how it actually works. By the way, let's go ahead and confirm this, and there is looks like it's loading itself, and it's doing a bit, and looks like it's done. And if I just go and go to, let's go and back check out that here, right, what's exactly happening. And if I come here into that settings part, and I can copy link as well, and I can simply paste this copy, and I can forward it to anyone, and that guy can use this particular that particular GPT itself, which is the Web Explorer version. And this is how this is going to look, and this is how this is going to come, like by Rahul Sahay, and this is how you can brand yourself or your site as well. By the way, there is one more thing which I wanted to talk about is here, like if you come here, you can just open here, and into that particular, if I come here into that let's say here into that and settings, and you see that there is a builder profile there, right? So what you can do simply, right, with this builder profile, you can publish your custom website, select a domain, verify new domain. Let's say you are having any of your site which you like to publish, right? So you need to provide, let's see, what you need to do here is you can simply go ahead and verify this with your new domain, let's say, and add that particular domain, what you need to add over there. Let's say whatever site you are having and you like to publish that, so you can certainly do that. So let's say you are having any of these sites, so you can simply register over here, and in that case what will happen, right, so your by your site or whatsoever is your profile is going to come over here, right? So that is what is this particular setting is all about. Having said that, this is pretty much like it's already done. Otherwise, if you're not providing any builder profile, by default it will take your profile name itself, and which is nothing but your Rahul Sahay. In this case, in your case, it will be your name itself. By the way, this is it all about your custom GPT. See you on the other side.